Okay, we're going to kick this day off with an every minute on the minute. So that means on every minute you have to do 12 reps of a bench press, and we're going to do this for 5 minutes solid. So set the timer on your phone, and as soon as your timer starts, do 12 reps. If it takes you 30 seconds to do a set, then you get a 30-second breather before you start your next set. So literally on the minute, every minute for 5 minutes solid, you got to do 12 reps of the bench press. Make sure your technique stays good. Obviously, you want to try to get it done under 30 seconds so you get a decent breather before you start your next set. After we've got this done, we're going to start our supersets, and that's how the rest of today is going to run. So for our supersets, we're going to do them a bit differently. Our first superset is going to be the incline bench press, which you're watching now, superset with pull-ups. So you're going to do 12 reps of the bench press and then a max amount of pull-ups you can, and you do this for 5 minutes. So just set a timer on your phone for 5 minutes and try to do both exercises as many times as possible in that 5 minutes. We do the exact same thing with our next two exercises, which is the standing shoulder press and going to be a bicep curl. So again, set a timer on your phone for 5 minutes, and as many times as possible, you do your standing shoulder press for 12 reps, straight into your bicep curls for 15 reps. And just keep going for the 5 minutes solid. Hopefully you'll get 3 sets of both exercises done within the 5 minutes. After that, we're in the superset 3, which is going to be seated rows. So as usual, keep your technique good, don't rock back and forth. You're going to get 12 reps done here, and then immediately afterwards do 15 push-ups. And again, you do this continuously for 5 minutes, back and forth between the two exercises until 5 minutes is up. After that, we're moving into our fourth and final superset of the day. We're going to do a lat pull down for 12 reps, superset with tricep push downs for 12 reps. Again, set the timer on your phone for 5 minutes and go back and forth between them two exercises as many times as possible within that 5 minutes. This is going to get really tough, and try not to be tempted to drop your weight. After we get that done, take like a minute to catch your breath, and we're going to start our Tabata. I highly recommend going on to Spotify and finding a Tabata playlist. What this is, you work for 20 seconds, rest for 10 seconds. We're going to start off with med ball slams. So 20 seconds, as many slams as possible. 10-second breather, as many push-ups in 20 seconds as you possibly can. 10-second breather, as many burpees in 20 seconds as possible. I'm going to show you a hard version and the easy version coming up right now. After you get your burpees done, 10-second breather, and you do 20 seconds of squat jumps. After the squat jumps, 10-second breather, and you start them 4 exercises over again. So this takes 4 minutes, and like I said, check out Spotify for Tabata songs, and you'll have a song that'll actually time it for you and play a decent song while you're doing this workout.